Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue south on State Highway 8, crossing the line from Virginia into North Carolina, where the highway retains the same number that Virginia uses. Stokes County was formed in 1789 and named for John Stokes, an American Revolutionary War captain. After the war, Captain Stokes was appointed a judge of the United States District Court for North Carolina. Here in Stokes County, Hanging Rock State Park was formed primarily from blocks of land donated in 1936 and contained 6,921 acres in 2005. Many of the facilities in the park were built by the Civilian Conservation Corps between 1935 and 1942. The park is located atop the Sorrowtown Mountains and contains a visitor's center, a man-made lake, and plenty of hiking trails, climbing trails, picnic areas, and primitive campgrounds. The county lies within the Piedmont region of western North Carolina, and most of the terrain consists of gently rolling countryside. The county is part of Appalachia, and the Sorrowtown Mountains run across the center of the county. The Sorros are named after the Sorro Native American tribe which lived in the county before European settlement. A chain of jagged ridges, the Sorrowtown Mountains are an isolated remnant of the Blue Ridge Mountains far to the west. Although the Sorrowtown Mountains occupy only 5% of Stokes County, they dominate the scenery from almost any direction, abruptly rising from 800 to 1,700 feet above the surrounding terrain. Moore's Knob, the highest point in the chain, rises to 2,579 feet. Most of the county is less than 1,000 feet above sea level. The Dan River, which we'll cross later, runs from the northwest corner to the southeastern section of Stokes County. Stokes County has a population of 46,097. We pass through Lawsonville, one of the many unincorporated communities in the county. Here we join State Highway 89 east. We enter the city of Danbury, the county seat of Stokes County. Danbury had a population of 189 people as of the 2010 census. This was after a population explosion of 75% during the previous decade. At the census of 2000, the population was only 108. Danbury is a popular rest stop for bicyclists, motorcyclists, and driving enthusiasts due to the numerous scenic roads in Stokes County. Danbury also attracts outdoor enthusiasts because of its location on the Dan River and near the entrance to Hanging Rock State Park. There are no regional or national franchises in Danbury, only local shops like the Danbury General Store and small restaurants. The Newbridge Bank has a branch in town. J.E. Pretty's General Store, a local historic landmark dating from the late 19th century, is still in business selling goods old and new. It is located about 2 miles east of town on Shepherd Mill Road. We conclude our video here at the Danbury city limits. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.